Well, so any language to learn, you have to start with alphabets, as you know. So let's start with alphabets. Well, you all have to become kindergarten students and start learning ABCDs. So we have A, B, C, D. These four are pronounced as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then E is A, F is F again, okay. Then G is J, H, Ash, I is E, J is J, K is K, L, M, N, O are same as in English, okay. Then P is P, Q is Q, R is R, S is again same as in English, S, T is T, U is U, V is V, W is W, X is X, then Y is Y, Z is Z. Okay, so almost like 5 to 6 alphabets have similar pronunciation like English. The remaining also there are like almost same, but there are a couple of alphabets which have different pronunciations as well. Fine. So I will read alphabets A to Z once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Concentrate. There is no D, there is no T in French. That's the reason I said Z. Z is pronounced as Z. There is no T. T pronunciation is not there. It becomes T. So French is very soft. Fine. So D becomes they. So that's the reason even in words also you will not find this T, D pronunciations in French. They become T, D. Well, so practice these alphabets, then apply these to your names and try to pronounce them in French. So take out at least 10 names from your contact list, from your phone book, and start practicing this. Because language, any language, it doesn't come unless and until you practice. Fine? So this is alphabets.